Replace your thermostat? Test every function now to avoid wasted trips, short cycling, incorrect temperature control, and hidden wiring faults. Start by testing fan only on both on and auto settings to confirm the furnace blower and air handler respond. Then switch to cooling and verify the outdoor condenser starts after the manufacturer recommended compressor delay. Count the seconds and note any refusal to start. Next, move to heating and confirm the burner or heat pump activates with correct stage sequencing and no false high limit trips. Watching for odd odors, delayed ignition, or repeated lockouts. Check 3 temperature differentials at the thermostat, at the supply register, and at the return grill to verify expected delta T for your system type, and log those numbers for future troubleshooting. Cycle through programmable and hold modes to confirm local schedule overrides actually change set points and that the thermostat writes non-volatile memory without losing programming after a power cycle or thermostat replacement. Verify the system respects minimum off time and compressor short cycle protection by commanding on-off-on quickly and measuring time between compressor starts. If the compressor starts too soon, add or enable a 5-minute or manufacturer-specific delay. For heat pumps, test emergency heat and defrost cycles. Force a defrost if safe to do so, and watch reversing valve operation and outdoor fan behavior, noting whether the thermostat supplies the correct reversing valve polarity or valve state command. Confirm auxiliary heat strips or fossil fuel backup. Engage only when needed by raising set point rapidly and observing stage 2 activation thresholds and differential limits. Prevent unnecessary runtimes that spike costs. Finally, verify all sensors and remote probes, including remote temperature averaging and floor sensors, report accurately, and that any wireless links maintain a solid signal throughout the house. One of the biggest mistakes is failing to test fan only and blower functions, which leads to poor air distribution and comfort complaints. Fix by switching to fan on, listening for consistent motor sound, measuring airflow at registers, and checking capacitor and motor current if weak. One of the largest errors is not validating compressor short cycle delay and compressor protection, causing premature compressor wear. Fix by measuring time between condenser starts, enabling built-in delay or adding an external timer, and confirming the contactor coil sees correct voltage during delay. One of the most common issues is neglecting to test auxiliary and emergency heat on heat pump systems, resulting in unexpected cold indoor temperatures. Fix by forcing stage 2 or emergency heat, verifying proper stage activation order, and checking reversing valve wiring and changeover logic. BigHomeProjects.com lists vetted local HVAC, electrical, and general contractors across the country, and helps homeowners quickly compare reviews, licenses, and services related to thermostat replacement and system testing. Contractors use BigHomeProjects.com to get qualified leads, showcase certifications and work samples, and connect with homeowners who need thorough post-installation function testing.